What's the meaning of assembly language? Assembly language. Assembly language.
Assembly language. Assembly language. Assembly language is a low-level programming language that uses mnemonic codes to represent the instructions that a CPU can execute. Unlike high-level programming languages such as Python or Java, assembly language directly interacts with the computer hardware and architecture. Assembly language is often used for system-level programming, device drivers, and other low-level tasks that require direct hardware access. Using assembly language requires a strong understanding of computer architecture and low-level programming concepts. Overall, assembly language is a powerful tool for building efficient and optimized software on specific hardware platforms.